France seduces travellers with its romantic culture. Classic French cafes, quirky markets and bistros with their plat du jour chalked on the board. France is also about world-class architecture and art. Its iconic landmarks are known the world over, yet there are still rising stars to be discovered and rediscovered. The country's cultural repertoire is staggering in volume and diversity, with the likes of the Eiffel Tower and the French Riviera to enjoy. Seven million people visit the Eiffel Tower annually, and with the recent revamp of its first-floor museum space, there's even more reason to go. From an evening ascent amid twinkling lights to lunch in one of the restaurants, every visit is unique. According to Celtic mythology, Mont Saint-Michel was a sea tomb to which souls of the dead were sent. This magnificent structure is rich in legend and history, which are keenly felt as you make your way barefoot across rippled sand to the stunning architectural ensemble. Better-known brand champagne houses in the main towns of Rennes and Épernay are famed the world over. However, our tip is that much of Champagne's finest liquid gold is created by passionate, small-scale wine growers in drop-dead, beautiful villages. The Loire is one of France's last wild rivers, and its banks provide a 1,000-year snapshot of French high society through its impressive chateau. The birthplace of mountaineering and winter playground to the rich, famous, and not so famous, this iconic ski resort in the French Alps has something for everyone. High season runs July and August. Visit in spring for warm weather or autumn for grape harvesting. Travel costs in France can range from less than €120 a day if you enjoy a dorm bed and lunch menus, to more than €200 a day for a double room in a top-end hotel with dinner. France's rail network is first class, but a car is great for discovering villages and rural landscapes impossible to visit with public transport. Weekends of endless possibilities punctuate the gentle rhythm of village life, sipping coffee on café terraces, road trips to Beaujolais and Burgundy, and other regions so different they could be another country. France's sheer variety never ceases to amaze.